this morning. Good morning, mates. Another day in paradise. Happy July 4th to you all. We're going to run south. So high tide was like at 3 o'clock this morning, and low tide's going to be 6:30 this afternoon. So the tide's dropping out all day, which is an ideal day to head south. So I'm going to keep you posted. Don't look too bad. Very little wind at the moment. There's been a little storm front come through, so we're going to be aware of clouds that might have lightning in them. Going to try and dodge them if we can. Anyhow, we're going to go up to 60 miles south, and I'll give you a report as I come off. We're in the high banks. There's some awesome structure. I mean, like block guts, suck outs, everything, but again, we're not seeing any birds, but I know they're catching. There's no mullet in the surf at the moment. I've been looking for them, but people, they're really doing well on some nice trout. I've been throwing top water, so it's a plug-in day for me, so that's where we're at. But as you can see, look at this lovely deep gut that's running along the side here, so you can easily get to it. All right, as I said, we're in the high banks. We're at about 22, 23. I'll keep you posted as we go. Check this spot out. Look, it's blocking off and then goes out into that big hole. So this is a really, you'd think it'd be loaded. So I think we better just sling a top water in this first gut just to see what's going on.
Okay. This is that spot Nick was just telling you about, and he had to blow up, cast again, and was on. So I'll show you that spot again in a second. Nice trout, nice trout. Yeah, baby. Look at that. That's a good one. There you go. Nice. Okay, so let me show you this that he was showing you just a second ago. See this really deep water? And it goes off and sucks out to that other gut right here at this cutoff. So it's really deep and sucks out, and he got that fish right at that suck out. So if you're wanting to know where to fish, this would be a great spot.
Yeah, Brenda just picked one up. Nice. Go back. There. Good job, mate.
Yeah.
Brenda likes this frog-looking lure. She's always done good on that.
Yep.
Good job, girl. Right, let me get that.
All right.
So here's another gut running right along the edge of the beach. Now where that blocks off, we're going to give it a go again because... So again, we're walking out on a sandbar. And we've got a pinch out here. That's why we're going to go out. As you can see, the bar really narrows up, this one we're coming to. So again, it allows you to focus in a smaller area. So if you've got a big wide gut, you have to work a lot where this, pinching in front of me, awesome. What I'm going to do is throw the lure slightly up current and try and reach that other bar. There you go. And I'll play it along the edge. So what I do is I make it walk the dog, and then I just leave it and slowly walk in, bring her in, gentle tugs. We got one. That was right off that other bar. So what I do, you got to back right out of the water. You don't want to get it too close to you or it'll come off. They're very soft. So I'm not going to bring him in any closer to my rod tip, because I want him on the beach before I approach the fish. There you go. So I'm going to go down south of Brenda now, north rather. Let me have a look. Right out on that bar. Get to slide your feet. So on our 7.5 foot rods that we use, they're called the Alpha, we have a longer butt than you normally find on a popping rod. Now you can adjust that length, so you can cut it off there if you wish. But we like it long because it assists in us getting them lures where we want them. And also it allows us, when we're fighting the fish, we use that part of the butt against our elbow. Okay, we're going to move. It's what we do in the summer, is chase them. Nothing more fun. Hey-oh! So here's another gut running right along the edge of the beach. Now where that blocks off, we're going to give it a go again, because that's a narrow area. It tends to put bait or fish in a predictable holding area, and that's why we always look for a form of structure. Here's something you never want to ignore if ever you're looking for trout, or any fish really, like jackfish could be under here, is working birds. If you see them, get out, give it a go. It's always a good sign. Check that beautiful block gut. Comes in really nice. I was going to head hard south, but I can't let that go. I've got to go and play in there, just see. It looks awesome. Still no mullet. Can't find a mullet to save your life. All right. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. We went all the way to Mansfield. Water was a beautiful colour, and it was a great day to be on the beach. I really do enjoy plugging, and it really brought it all home to me how much I'd missed it. Anyhow, I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope it helps. Don't forget, like, share, subscribe. Thanks for your support. This is Nick away from Breakaway, and this is our link to our Patreon site. Thank you, guys.